to my channel. This video is gonna be a spend the day with me as a new wife and content creator. On a regular day without the war, I would have some editing at home, a lot more than I do now, and occasionally I would have events, like 2 or 3 events per week, something like that, to cover, to go to model for, like it depends. Anyways, today I do have a shoot, but it's an at-home shoot. I'm filming for this like delivery company in Qatar and called Kita. You've probably heard of them everywhere if you're like around here. I think this is like my 5th video with them. I think they like my type of content, or maybe they just do a lot of ads. I don't know. At the same time, I'm a wife, so I love it, by the way. Like, don't feel bad for me if you see me doing some chores. Like, I love doing the chores. I'm kind of like a housewife right now because of no job. It is now 7:56, which is very unusual for me to wake up that early. This is the toner I'm using, and then I used this serum by busier. I don't know how to pronounce it. I also used their cream, which I love, and I think you guys are up to date. This is what I applied for now on my face. Then go with a little bit of this La Neige lip, like it's a sleeping mask, but I just love how hydrated it makes my lips. Can you guys recommend a better sunscreen? Like, I'm not saying this is not good, it's just not my favorite, so I don't look forward to putting it on my face. That's it for my skincare routine. It's very simple. It's like literally 3 or 4 steps, I would say. I'm gonna quickly do my makeup and I'll be back. Ta-da! Just kidding. And done. This took me 5 minutes. And yeah, I'm just gonna put my favorite perfume, Versace. It smells so strong, like I just need to do like 2, what do you call them, sprays. And fun fact, I do not even know what I'm filming yet. I am trying my best to do a to-do list of the next day, the day before. So like today's to-do list, I wrote it down last night in bed. It makes me less anxious and less like rushing, you know. It just makes me sleep happier, like knowing that it's all written down, and when I wake up I'm just gonna look. I'm downstairs, and this is where the shooting is gonna happen, most likely. Like, he's gonna make the shoot a lot harder because he barks at everything. What I'm gonna be doing is coming up with the content, like the idea, at least to have like a general idea of what I'm gonna say, where I'm gonna say it, like what the idea of the video is gonna be like. The easiest way would be to create a script. I use ChatGPT, like, let's not lie, everybody's using it for everything. I asked ChatGPT to help me like write a script, and then I try to find a hook. I feel like the first 3 seconds are the most important. And yeah, and then I just like go, like I try to keep it, you know, dynamic, you know. I change locations, all the little content stuff. It's 8:47 and the script is ready. This is the best part. I already feel so much better knowing that I just have a script I need to follow. Usually at this point, I just look at the sentence and I decide where I'm gonna film it. Literally 2 minutes after I talk to you guys, my boss, like my freelance boss, texts me and she's like, "Are you available to do a video for Almira?" Almira is a supermarket here. Today. What is it with people asking for like videos last minute? I don't know. But yeah, I thought about it and I was like, I need the money. So, change of plans. Same plan, but like change of speed. I'm gonna film Kita in 2 hours. I'm giving myself 2 hours to finish the Kita video. And then I'm gonna move on to Almira video, because I know Almira is much more like complicated. I can do it. Hopefully you guys get to see me do any wife kind of thing today. But you know what the good thing is? Part of being a wife is kind of like getting lunch ready, or like dinner at least. And when I'm gonna order for Kita, I'm literally gonna order lunch. So it's like 2 in 1. I use it for my video, plus we get to have like not free lunch, but like this is some of the perks of the job. Like when I'm shooting for Almira, I get paid for shooting the content, plus I get paid for whatever, like not paid, but like I'm gonna have to order things from the supermarket and they pay me for that. I think the best thing for me to do right now is to have breakfast, and lucky for me, this does not happen every day. Last night I did these Belgian waffles. I don't know, I hope they're still good. I'm gonna like heat it, but it's, oh my god, they're so good. I'm just gonna have it with some fruits. Almost 9:30 now, and the shop, like the restaurant I want to order from, doesn't open until 10:30. I'm gonna film the beginning part where I don't need the food. But then I think I'm gonna start working on the supermarket, because like the supermarket is open. My boss decided she wants me to only have ice cream in that video. So we ordered like 15 types of ice cream. I did a quick outfit change. I only changed my shirt. And now I'm gonna start the second video. I'm not done with the first, technically. Like I'm done filming, but obviously I did not edit, and it's now 12:22. I didn't have lunch, but I had to taste some of the food I got for the first video. For the second video, I had the idea to start the video at the supermarket, because the ad is for the online application. So I thought I can start it at the supermarket and then do like a, you know, now you can order from the app, you know, like a little transition. Guys, I don't think I showed you. This is what I ordered for the first video. They actually, like, they gave me a few places I can order from. This one opened the earliest, like it opens at 10:30. So I received my ice creams. This is so interesting. I mean, I kind of ate it, but it was supposed to look like a broasted. I think it kind of does. And it's actually good. I am full. I'm kidding, I barely ate, but I had to like take a bite out of like many of these. I did not open these because like I just feel like I'm wasting food at this point. I had to like open one, and then this I tried. This I tried, it's pretty good, but I'm gonna put it in the freezer because I don't feel like having... I hate ice cream. I hate it. I hate it. This is like a low-cal one. I have almost 10 minutes of footage for a reel that is supposed to be 30 seconds. 2:26 p.m. and the first reel is done. That was the easy one though. That was the Kita reel. I just sent it for approval. I'm pretty sure they're gonna approve it because they're very like easy to work with. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna go film at the supermarket. I just have like a tiny like 10-second at the beginning. We're on our way, guys. The weather has been weird. It's like cloudy almost all day, every day, but it's so hot. We're done, guys. We were literally in there for like 5 minutes, and I swear people are so quick. Like by the 5th try, like I repeated it 5 times, a guy comes and he's like kind of checking what I'm doing, and he's telling me like I need a pass, because I know I need a pass for things like that, but it's just one sentence, you know. But anyways, I got it, and he was nice. He was like, I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see anything. I got a face mask because I'm also like, I have a reel saved that I want to kind of recreate. And also I found these cute little hair clips. Ignore these, I don't know what these are. It is 6:21. It is sunset like the sun has already set, but it's not super dark. And wait, what's happening? My husband is on his way home. Usually he comes back at like 4:30, but he actually went and did a bunch of things. So that worked out well because I was editing the whole time. It's time to do something else in life. I was not expecting this day to be so like just about editing, and really thought I would be able to do things in between, but I'm grateful to have work because some days are like this and some days there's literally nothing to do when in terms of work, and these are the days I usually like do self-care and like chores in the house, you know. And I love both. I really love having a bit of both. Chicken. بدك حطهم جريل.
مش حلحق، صارت الساعة 6:15
لهلا بعدك ولا نسكافيه؟
لا بلا عملت وشربت. فحطيتهم فيها، سخنت حطيتهم فيها، طلعت وين الهيدا.
So I heat up the food for him and I end up eating it because he already ate and he didn't tell me.
I told you.
See?
You asked me, I told you.
And now we're already exhausted, but it's only 7 p.m. I was just showing him the 2 reels I did today.
Love
it. He said he loves it. There's one that I need to post today, and the second is not me posting it, so I don't care. I just removed my lenses, guys, so I can't see much right now. But yeah, the tiredness just hit me right now. Like I can't. I need to lie down. My back hurts. My head hurts. My eyes are burning. It's been a long day. And I just don't feel like I'm gonna do much. I'm just gonna put these on like quick setting, and then once they're done I'm just gonna put them to dry, and that's it. Guys, yesterday I found out about trial reels on Instagram, and it's like my new favorite thing. By the way, guys, please follow me on Instagram. I feel like and I have good content. Like I have 2 million views on that one, 700,000 views on this, 100,000 on this. I mean, these are like my best videos, but I would post more if I had like more followers. Anyways, I'm gonna lay down here and just, there is this friend that we like reply to each other every like 2-4 days like that. And yeah, I haven't heard her voice since like 3 days now. And the reason why is because we send each other super long voice notes. We're kind of catching up. It's a friend I had, like, she was like my best friend, I think, kind of, when we were in school. And then we stopped talking for 6 years, and now we're back to talking. So we have a lot to catch up on. So her voice is like 8 minutes now. I'm gonna do that, and it's the perfect time to listen to it. It's 8:30, guys. One of my videos got approved, the one that I need to post, which is great. So this way I can post it and just like not worry about my phone anymore. I also can't hear the washing machine, so I'm guessing it's done. So many pretty faces. Laundry is done, guys. It is time to take off my makeup. Good boy. Good boy. Give me 5. Good boy. Give me 5. Good boy. Okay. Okay, back to bed. Back to bed. Alright, guys. I think this is the end of my day in the life. And Yeah, as a freelancer, every day looks different. Today was really like a work day, which is rare these days. And yeah, what time is it now? It's like
Almost 10. 10.
it's 10. We're in bed. We're gonna watch The Office and sleep. Alexa, lights off.
Okay.
Bye.